I left this cage of males go way too long. I should have called them a month ago. I just can't find the time and really want to do it. Kind of dumb feeding these birds. They're all males. They can't make eggs. If you look at them, they're all bald on the backs of their heads from trying to screw each other. It's kind of messed up. Up here I've got another batch of younger birds that are mixed sex. I haven't figured it out yet, but there seems to be quite a few females in there. I'm gonna move them into an outside cage soon. I haven't built it yet though, and I gotta get off my ass to do it. These birds here are actually mostly females, and they lay eggs, and these are too. Kind of need to go through and pick out birds and figure out which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to call, and build an outside cage and get them out there, because this is a pain in the ass taking care of them inside. I thought it'd be fun and easy. It's not. You're a slave to these birds once you get them. These are the ones in this pink box, and I still haven't moved them out. I need to get busy and build me a big quail cage that's 12 feet long. And I'm just stalling because I'm bummed about getting them mowers stolen. It's weird how something can happen and it just kind of cripples you. I'm bad like that, and stuff does that to me. It sucks. Come on, Millet. I heard you go out. Come on, get in here. They're going to catch some quail to catch. He wants to play. Let's do it. What the hell? I got lots of them. That's mainly why I got these birds, I think. Because he wants to catch them. Let's catch one for him. It's been kind of rough on him lately. But he wants to go catch a bird. I can tell by how he's acting. Let's just do it. Bird, bird, bird. I got the bird. Let's see how good this one can fly. Sit. Every so often I get out a bird to catch for my dog to catch. Swimming. Okay, here we go. Let's put this where you could maybe see a little better. No. Trying to bite it out of my hand. Boy, it flew. Come on, Millet. Here, boy. Here. Millet, here. No, here. You're being bad. Sit. Sit down. Come on. Give it to me. Sit. Let's see if we can get it from him. Sit. Hey. Drop it. Let go. Drop. Let go. Drop it. Good. Let's go put the bird back. He's still alive. He flew quite a ways. And this little bit of excitement is just great for your puppy. Gotta close the gate here. That's why I got these dumb birds. And my dog is like very good at this game because he's got the experience from catching a few quail. A little bit of this goes a long way with a bird dog. think that's the point I'm trying to make. He's looking for more, see? And this one's going back in the cage. He's a little stunned. He might die. We never know, but I don't think he got hurt. Come here, Millet. Sit. Sit down. He's excited. Good dog. Have a great day, everybody. God bless. Ooh, he's still got his e-collar on. I kind of forgot to take it off from this morning. Wondered why he was making them snorting noises. See, that's his collar. That's how you turn it off. Well, have a great day, everybody. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.